Namaskar friends. Today we are going to understand the Korean Peninsula problem. What is the Korean problem and what is the history of it and what is the current situation. So before going into the matter deeply, first we understand what is the physical situation of the Korean Peninsula. And friends, if you like the video, please like and subscribe also, and also share to your friends. So first is the question: the border between the North Korea and South Korea is called 38th parallel. What is its name? 38th parallel. So the 38th parallel is here. This is the 38th parallel. What is called 38th parallel? Okay friends, this is 38th parallel. This is Korean Bay, western side of North Korea. Yellow Sea, you have to learn all these things. Sea of Japan is here. China is here. North Korea and South Korea. The South Korean capital is Seoul and North Korean capital is Cheongju and Pyongyang. So Pyongyang and Seoul. Pyongyang is the North Korean capital. Cheongju is used in exceptional cases, but the Pyongyang is main capital. So friends, at the time of Cold War, China and Russia supported North Korea. China plus Russian. Both these countries supported North Korea, and USA and other capitalistic economies supported South Korea. So the situation is tense because there are various regions at this peninsular region. So into this matter we are going to develop some new concepts. Friends, whole concept we will understand, and it's easy friends. Now understand the whole concept. By blowing up a joint liaison office on the border with the South Korea and threatening to deploy troops along the demilitarized zone, North Korea is back to what it is best at: aggressive posturing with the threat of war. Threat of war. What is doing? North Korea is sending its troops to the demilitarizing zone. That's why the situation is tense on the border. Troubles began in the peninsula early this year after a deadline of the North Korea dedicated to the US to achieve progress in the denuclearization talks expired on the December 31st. We have already seen that there was a meeting between North Korea and USA, and denuclearization process was on, talks were on, but the deadline was December 31st. After that there is some tension situation in that peninsula region. North Korea has conducted a missile test this year, sending warning signal to Seoul and Washington. at latest crisis was triggered by the anti-North defector groups that sent a propaganda leaflets via balloons across the border. North Korea is aggressively pursuing this matter. Angered by the South Korean refusal to crack down on them, Pyongyang has severed hotlines, demolished the liaison office, and is planning to deploy troops along the border. North Korea is aggressive. Tensions now at risk, rolling back whatever little was achieved through the engagement over the past 2 years. There have been several works have been done in the past 2 years. South Korea Unification Minister Kim Yoon-chul resigned on Friday, and Seoul has moved to chart the defector group. But these moves are unlikely to ease tension, as the real problem is the stall in the talks. After 2 years after US President Trump and North Korean leader Kim Jong-un met at Singapore to discuss the denuclearization. President and Kim Jong-un have met. Trump and North Korean leader Kim Jong-un have met in Singapore to discuss the whole denuclearization process. Little has been achieved in that direction. It is likely that North is now trying to back Mr. Trump's attention. So what is this? That Trump is not focusing on this matter because there is various situation and the international issues nowadays. That's why, and also the corona. Then North Korea is focusing on the border to have attention of Donald Trump. So the next situation is very tense, friends, on the border. There were no high hopes of a quick solution of the US-North Korea rivalry. It goes back to, now we are going to history, 1950 to 53 Korean War, when Mr. Trump and Mr. Kim met. Still, the summit was an opportunity to open a new direction relation. Mr. Kim had principally agreed to denuclearization in return for the lifting of American sanctions. We know that there are some sanctions on North Korea by the Americans because North Korea is pursuing a nuclearization program, but talks stalled at the US stated complete, verifiable, irreversible denuclearization. But the North Korean returned for any occasion. The North Koreans were very particular because of the US history of going after dictators such as Saddam Hussein of Iraq and Muammar Gaddafi in Libya, or its breaching of the Iran nuclear deal. Mr. Kim Jong-un offered a stage approach. It put a freeze on a nuclear test and offered a shut its Yongbyon nuclear complex. The US and South Korea could have responses to these measures and kept to the talks on less Korean war. Both Koreans are still technically at war. Koreans are still on wars. American is mediating, but Koreans is still on the war. An agreement could have been achieved as a confidence building measure, but the road was not taken. Worse, the US and the South Korea went ahead with their joint military exercise. What is this? The joint military exercises provokes North Korea. That's why there is tension on the border. Getting my point or not? Joint exercise of North Korea and US. Mr. Trump now grappling with the many problems at home. What is the problems? Coronavirus is there, which earlier I am saying that why US is not paying attention to the Korean problem, because there are coronavirus outbreak of sagging economy. There is also economic problem, anti-racism problem is there, है ना. Still, Abe does not want his two summits with Mr. Kim to be more footnotes of his history. Should take measure to revive talks with North Korea and push the peninsula back on normalcy. But the US would also revive talks with North Korea and push the peninsula back on normalcy. So friends, what we have understand? The border 38th parallel. There are some questions that we can take. 38th parallel border, North Korea, South Korea, capital Seoul, South Korea, Pyongyang, North Korea, Korean Bay, Yellow Sea is there, Japan as the south part, Sea of Japan, and China is the north of North Korea. This is the geographical location of Korean Peninsula. And what is the situation? Situation we have understand that US was mediating, but due to the problem of coronavirus, racism problem, agitation, and the sagging economy of US, the Mr. Trump cannot mediate at that intensively that he was doing earlier. And Mr. Kim Jong-un of North Korea was so much interested to resolve the whole denuclearization and lifting of all the bans which was imposed by US on North Korea, was too much aggressive from the last year. But after December the talks did not happen. That's why to show or to raise the matter at a new height, Mr. Kim Jong-un of North Korea is militarizing at the border at 38th parallel, and this whole situation leads to another conflicting zone of the world. Already there is India and China having a position of heading towards each other. Korean Peninsula is also not in a normal position. So friends, this was the whole concept of peninsular problem, of Korean peninsular problem. So please, if you like the video, if you have understand the whole matter what is going on Korean Peninsula, and if you have increased some your knowledge, so please like, subscribe and share my channel so that I will get appreciated and I will follow suit in near future and make a lot of video towards analysis of day-to-day events. So thank you very much. God bless you all, and God bless our country, and keep yourself away from the coronavirus pandemic. Have a good day.